Hi guys! What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another video, but today we are going to be cooking because I don't know, I want to do some different stuff. I know I've gotten a lot of requests to do some mukbangs lately or some food videos, and with everything going on, obviously I'm not going to go out and eat fast food because I don't want to. So I thought instead of doing food videos eating, I would do some food videos making. So was that English? I don't really know, but I'm gonna be making banana pudding. It's super simple, super easy. It's not from scratch. You can't make it from scratch, which is still really, really easy to make it from scratch. But I'm doing the very shortcut, very lazy, very easy. This is great for if you just wanna, you know, eat banana pudding. It's also really great if you have like a little get together, a potluck, all the things we literally can't do right now. Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, whatever the event may be. It's really good to take with you when you go somewhere with like people. It makes you look like you know how to cook, even if you don't, because it's literally so freaking simple. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give it a little thumbs up. If you're new, hit that sub button with your bunny paw. Sit the sub bunny with your bunny paw. Was that, can we get an instant replay on that one? Sub button with your bunny paw. Anyways, yeah, so let me know if you guys want more cooking videos. Let me grab everything to make it and show you guys what we need. Okay, so I had to close the door back there because I forgot that it was open, so just pretend like you didn't see my pantry mess. Anyways, all you need for this is some Nilla wafers. We're trying to be healthy, so we got the reduced fat ones. I would highly recommend going with regular Nilla wafers. I've never tried it with reduced fat, so we're gonna see how that goes. Cool Whip, regular Cool Whip, of course. Some bananas, the riper the better. If you don't have ripe bananas, you can let this sit overnight, like your pudding, make it with the unripened bananas. Let it sit overnight. The pudding itself will kind of sweeten them, but if they're like super sour, it should still sweeten them. And then some Jello, that's it. I use the cook and serve because ain't nobody got time to let this set for like 5 hours. You know, like my family, we eat it like when it's made, so I eat it when it's made. Anyways, I get the cook and serve one. I get it in vanilla just because the bananas are gonna give it the banana flavor. I don't really like the artificial banana taste anyway, so I always get vanilla pudding. We're going to need some milk. Milk? How do you say milk? I've seen so many people say milk differently. Do you say milk? Milk? Milk. I think I say milk. Milk. I digress. I use like a big glass bowl because it looks pretty cool too. So the way I'm gonna do it, the way I do my banana pudding is I line the whole bottom layer with some Nilla wafers, kind of like a crust. Wafers, pudding, banana, Cool Whip, 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 and then you end with Cool Whip, by the way. So I'm gonna go cut up my bananas. All right, cutting board, bananas. Let's cut some of these. I don't know how loud that was, but I like my bananas pretty ripe. You don't have to use them this ripe, but I like them ripe because they're just sweeter. They might look really gross, but they are sweeter. All right, now let's chop. Can you even see what I'm doing? I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but anyways. Boom, and first banana's done. So you're gonna do like chops like this. Look, see, they're not too thin, they're not too thick, they're just like normal banana slices. So I'm gonna do another one. I feel like I'm gonna need 3, but I'm gonna do 2 for now, and then if I need the third one later, then I'll do the third one. So this is how much 2 bananas gets us. You know, it's a good little amount. I'm definitely gonna need the 3rd banana. I might actually need 4 bananas, but we will see depending on how many layers we use. Also, don't come for me with this being like, oh, you can make it from scratch so easy. I just said literally in the beginning, you can make it from scratch so easy, but this is the lazy people's way because I really don't wanna have to deal with that. Okay, next we're gonna make the pudding, and you need 3 cups per pudding packet of milk. Regular milk, not almond, and not soy milk. If you only use non-dairy milk, not gonna work. Unfortunately, from what I've read from the Jello's like website, the pudding won't set properly. You can't use fat-free milk, so I'm gonna do 1 Jello packet. So we're gonna put our milk in a pan, not in a bowl. It's 6 cups of milk. You warm up the milk, then you pour the pudding in, boil it on medium, and then throw it in there? Yes. So we are gonna put 6 cups of milk in first. We got 1 cup. Oh God. We have 2. God, milk. We don't have enough. It's okay. We'll add a little bit of almond milk, like I just said not to do. So we'll just do a little splash. Little splash. We're gonna have to work with it. Okay, so now we are going to put the pudding mixture into the milk. and then we're gonna heat it up. We're gonna whisk it though a little bit before we put it in. Hello? I'm using a big pack. I think this should be enough. You know, you work with what you got when you're in quarantine. Okay, then you just whisk it a little bit. It smells so good though. It smells bomb. Whisk it a little bit. And then you put it on the stove, medium, until it starts boiling, but like you gotta mix it, you know? Can't forget to mix it, because then it might burn. I don't really know what'll happen, but it'll probably be gross, so let's go put this on the stove. This is what it looks like right when you put it on the stove. I have mine on medium. Don't look at my dirty stove, but that's what it looks like. Bring it to a little boil, and then it's ready to go. All right, now we're gonna put the vanilla wafers, or the Nilla wafers. Am I the only one who calls them vanilla wafers? I don't call them Nilla, I call them vanilla wafers. Anyways, we're gonna put the vanilla wafer crust on. Now, you shouldn't need more than a bag. Sometimes I forget and I get like 2 big boxes of vanilla wafers and you just don't need it. So, I think you can see that. Start by doing the bottom. I just kind of pour a few little in there. I think they're married. Put them like this on the bowl because to me that just makes more sense. Laying them the way that the bowl goes. You know, the bowl's curved, so why would you put like a flat thing on a curve? It's just not, doesn't make sense to me. So I lay them like this, bloop, you know? Flat side up, curved side down. Flat side up, curved side down. And then I just line a little bit around it, not too much. I actually kind of go in between the cookies. It's gonna sound really weird. I kind of like do every other cookie, I guess. You gotta kind of finesse this a little bit too. You don't wanna be too like rough with the cookies because then they might fall. All right, so we got a little crust going. It's just a little bit, nothing too much for now until we do our first layer. This is what it looks like when it's done and it's boiling. Don't forget to stir because you will get clumps. And we're gonna turn it off, let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll add it to the cookies. So now I just pulled this off the stove. I put it in a bowl so it could kind of cool down, and it's still kind of runny. It's a little clumpy. I kind of think it's because of the almond milk. I've never had that do that to me, to be honest, and I've never used almond milk. So it'll all harden and turn out good anyway, so whatever. So we're gonna put this on now. Away. I let it cool for about 10 minutes in the bowl, so now I'm gonna layer it on this bad boy. I wanna make sure all the bottom cookies are covered. And then we're gonna go the banana and then the whipped cream. I do like a flat layer of bananas and like a flat layer of the cookies. I don't know if that really matters to anybody, but that's how I do it. So, boom, we got our bananas. I do a good amount. I'm not really stingy with it because like I love Cool Whip. I usually use like the whole thing. And make sure your hands are clean when you do this. So I think like my Cool Whip layer is almost as thick as my pudding layer, to be honest. It's like a Cool Whip pudding. Boom, Cool Whip layer done. All right, now I'm gonna put another layer of cookies. I'm gonna do another layer of cookies. I'm gonna show you guys each layer this time. All right, let's put in the cookies. All right, so now we have our cookies and then we're gonna do our pudding again. I know I said earlier, like you can eat it right away. You can, but if you let it sit for a couple of hours or like overnight, the cookies get super, super soft and they're so good. They're not crunchy at all. They're just like a really soft cookie. So I usually let mine sit overnight. I know I said earlier that like I eat it right away, but I think I was just being dramatic. So, one pack gives you a good, decent layer, to be honest. All right, and then we're gonna do the banana. All right, and I actually ran out of banana, so I'm just gonna do the smallest little bit of banana, like this, just so it covers the middle. If you put the banana on top and then you put it in the fridge as like a garnish, it's gonna make the bananas go brown, so it's not gonna be super like nice looking. So we got a nice little even banana layer on top. And then we're gonna do our Cool Whip now. So this is literally just like layering. That's all it is. All right, now our Cool Whip layer is done. This is what it looks like. All right, and then now we're going to take just a few cookies and put them on top, not that many. Boom, very small little design. Bang, done. It kind of looks like eggs, doesn't it? Is it just me? Does that kind of look like an egg? A little bit, kind of looks like an egg. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I'm gonna cover it with some tin foil. This is what it looks like on the outside if you use a bowl that is clear, obviously. And then if you have more pudding, obviously the layers will go up. You'll keep building your little like Nilla wafer wall. So it looks really cool. It looks really pretty. I'm trying not to drop the bowl on my face. So it looks nice. And then that's it from the top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I usually make mine the night before I go somewhere before I'm gonna be eating it, and that way it has time to sit and marinate. It's kind of like pasta. You know how pasta just is always better the next day? Literally the same thing. I would definitely say put it in the fridge for a couple hours at least. That way the Nilla wafers get really soft and kind of soak up the like banana-y flavor, and also the bananas have time to get sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up, and if you're new, hit that sub button with your bunny paw. Also, if you want to see me do more recipes, or if you want to see me cook something in particular, comment it down in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And then I go Nilla wafers. Nilla wafers. No, Nilla wafers. Not waste my banana. I gotta blow out when I'm supposed to get a pan out. Take 2 in action. Okay, take 3.